Hi guys, now I would like to show you how a Megane 3RS brake caliper together with the Megane 3RS brake disc, which is 340mm by 28mm in thickness, is installed on an S13 knuckle. This is an S13 200SX European style knuckle, and this is a 5 lug conversion hub, so this brake disc will fit easily on this hub because both is 5-bolt pattern. This is the billet aluminum adapter bracket or mounting bracket, or however you want to call it. Okay, let's start. This spacer simulates the wheel, the brake, the wheel or the rim. So now here's the brake caliper. The brake pads are already installed. As you can see, it already fits really nice. As you can see already, it spins freely. Even the brake pads are loosely in, so as you can maybe see here, there's the outer surface of the brake pad and the outer diameter of the brake disc are aligning very nicely, so you're using the full potential of the brake disc. Here's the same, and the space between the brake disc and the caliper on this side and the brake disc on this side and the caliper on this side is completely even, so there's no offset or anything, so it aligns perfectly. Very simple, very straightforward, very affordable, because those brake discs are you know, you can buy them for 130, 140 or 150 euros a pair, and those are genuine Brembo, and this is genuine Brembo. So, and this was designed altogether for the Megane 3 RS, and it just works. Very cool conversion on a 30-year-old Nissan.